In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Monday Docs, often referred to as work docs. These provide a collaborative digital space where your team can come together to brainstorm, plan, and execute numerous work tasks seamlessly. Imagine it as a virtual whiteboard, fully integrated into the Monday.com platform. This feature is designed to make collaboration more effective, allowing your team to manage projects, share information, and work collaboratively in real time, all in one convenient location. While many of us are familiar with embedding files into Monday boards by creating a file column, there's a more tailored option specifically for Monday Docs. This addition helps your team manage information more efficiently by linking directly to these powerful documents. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly integrate Monday Docs into your workflow. First, you can create columns that are dedicated to Monday Docs, which provides a quick way for your team to access documents specific to each task or item on your board. Whenever you're handling an item that requires detailed notes or additional information, simply navigate to the column on your board designed for Monday Docs. By clicking on the cell associated with a specific item, you're automatically directed to the Monday Doc editor. This user-friendly interface is where you can start jotting down important notes, adding crucial information, or compiling data relevant to that task. It's an intuitive space that encourages organized documentation tailored to each item's unique requirements. The ability to create a new document directly linked to a specific item means that your notes, plans, and brainstorming ideas stay relevant, contextual, and easy to find. No more sifting through generic documents or unrelated notes. Everything you need is connected directly to the task at hand, enhancing productivity and ensuring the efficient flow of information amongst your team. As you work through the Monday Doc editor, take advantage of its real-time collaboration features. These allow team members to simultaneously contribute and edit documents, reducing delays and fostering a more dynamic, interactive work environment. Your team can instantly see updates, leave comments, and make necessary adjustments, ensuring everyone stays aligned at every step of the project. Monday Docs are a valuable addition to your project management toolkit, offering a robust solution to documenting, sharing, and evolving ideas within your team. With these collaborative capabilities, you can enhance how your team processes information and executes tasks, all while keeping everything organized within the Monday.com ecosystem. That's all for today's tutorial. By integrating Monday Docs into your workflow, you can enhance team collaboration, improve project organization, and ensure all your essential information is right where you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Monday Docs to drive your projects forward efficiently and effectively.